Hey there! Today we're looking at the ASUS ProArt GoPro Edition PX13. It's on the test bench and ready for a full teardown. 10 Torx screws hold the bottom panel in place. The one in the center is hidden beneath a rubber cap, which you can pop out with a thin flathead screwdriver. The screw in the bottom right corner is captive and helps lift the panel, making the whole process a total breeze. Just use a plastic tool to carefully pry up the cover, starting from that bottom right edge. Inside, the metal panel houses 2 dust filters and some soft padding above the battery. The metal cover also makes contact with a thick thermal pad for the system SSD. To disconnect the 73 watt-hour battery, slide the metal cap off and carefully pry up the edges of the plug with a lever tool. Then undo the 4 screws securing the unit. That capacity is good for about 7 hours of 4K video playback, an adequate result for a machine with a 3K screen, a 16-core Zen 5 CPU, and a monster of an iGPU. For storage, you've got a single M.2 slot that fits the tiny 2230 Gen 4 SSDs, a thin thermal pad underneath also helps keep the drive cool. Since this laptop is powered by a high-performance APU, the solid memory isn't a surprise at all. You can spec this beast with up to 128 gigabytes of 8000 megahertz LPDDR5X RAM. It's also nice to see that the Wi-Fi 7 card is user replaceable. The cooling setup looks surprisingly beefy for a 13-inch machine. It consists of 2 fans and a pair of long heat pipes shared between the fin stacks. A third pipe at the top connects the VRM heat spreader to the top right heatsink. In total, you're looking at 4 of those heat sinks. A central spreader handles the heat for both the CPU and the RAM. Despite the tight space, removing the cooling assembly isn't too complicated. As always, unplug the 2 fan connectors, then undo the 3 screws around each housing. The Wi-Fi antenna cables do get in the way on the left side, so peel back the tape securing them and move the cables aside. You'll find 2 more touchscreen-related connectors tucked below the right fan. The larger one is easy. Just grab the plastic handle and pull straight up. Then pull the smaller connector toward the fan side. There is a 2-way connector glued to the top left heatsink. Carefully detach it, the larger one is for the webcam, and unstick it from the metal surface. Finally, undo the 4 screws around the CPU and gently pry up the thermal solution with a lever tool. This finally gives us a clear look at the powerful AMD Ryzen AI Max plus 395 and that massive 128 gigabytes of RAM. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.